Today I clicked some pictures of my nephew and told him that I will put beard and mustache on your face. His reaction was so cute. I'll show you that at the end of the video. But now I'll show you how I did this. We have two pictures, one of a child and a reference picture, which I have already opened in Photoshop. We will put this man's beard on the child face. First, you have to select the polygon lasso tool and then make a selection of beard and mustache. You don't need to do a fine selection. The selection of beard and mustache has to be done separately so that we can adjust the mustache according to the face letter. Put both beard and mustache in different layers. Now select both layers and drag them into kid image. Scale the beard and adjust according to the face. Decrease the transparency of the beard so that you can see its face and can adjust easily. Now go to the image above, adjustment, and select black and white. Then OK. Now select the level adjustment layers and take a right top slider to the left. Don't forget to make a clipping mask, otherwise it will apply to the whole image. Now adjust the slider. It will brighten the white part of beard. Now select the beard layer and change the blending mode to multiply. As you can see, white part has gone. We need to adjust the beard again. Go to edit, transform and select warp. I really love this warp tool. You can easily adjust the shape or image without losing quality. Take your time and adjust the beard according to the face. Now duplicate the beard layer and create a layer mask. Invert the mask by pressing Ctrl Command I. Take a soft brush and select foreground color to white. Now paint over the empty space so that our beard looks thicker. Now the same process has to be done with the mustache. First of all, you have to go to the above adjustment, select the black and white, then you go to the level adjustment, take the right slider to the left, and change the blending mode to multiply. Create a layer mask of mustache layer. Take a soft brush, but not too soft, otherwise we will lose the sharpen edges. Remove every part that are overlapping. After that, merge all layers into one by pressing Shift, Ctrl, Alt, Command E. Sharpen a whole picture for better results. Go to Filter, Sharpen and Unsharp Mask. And we are done. Here is my nephew reaction after seeing his beard photo. It looks so cute. Thank you for watching. For more exciting tutorials, please subscribe my channel, Zlearn, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.